Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent the 2-pack of the fun guinea pig beds in exchange for my honest review. First, we have the giraffe bed. Not only does it have a soft insert, but it has cute, adorable pigtails, and Snuggles is inside loving it. And then we have the shark. The shark has the jaws that open wide, and when you reach in, that's where the soft bed is. So each bed has a soft insert for the guinea pig, and I love the fact that both beds are machine washable. So if it gets dirty, no worries. I can simply stick it in the wash, and then when it's dry, I can just put the bedding right back in. And it fits inside of the cage. And so here we've got it in the cage, and Snuggles is checking it out. And I think it's super fun because Snuggles likes to move his cage around. And so he gets in and he pushes it around. And what is really great about it is it's super easy to get in and out of. So Snuggles likes to chew on it, of course, and it has a good time. But when the guinea is ready to jump out, it can simply just crawl out and go about its business. This has been a fun addition to the cage, and I love the fact that the guinea pig has a nice little spot to hide out in. It's nice to take a nap in or just give that feeling of safeness. So that's definitely been a win. I like that it has a handle because we can also use these in the car. So when we go on short little trips, this is a way to take the guinea pig with us, keep him nice and secure and snug. So overall, these have been a super fun addition to the cage. Snuggles loves it, and so do we. So I hope you found the review helpful.